Ha ka jing persang ban Pynbha ya ka Jingai Jingsumar ha ki jaka ba bat balong riat ka Tnad ka Koit ka Khiah jong ka sorka jela kala Pyndonkam ya ki kaliket nongpang 4x4 ki balala ban yat ha baro ki jaka. Ha ka jing kren bat ki nong thok khubor ki he ka Koit ka Khiah ki lakam ba ka jing shakri jong ka kaliket nongpang 108 ka terai kam menta ha ki sau pusan teli ki jaka. Bat ki jing thumu ki dang yat shakhaman ban pinyar ya ka jing terai kam jong ka shaki wei pat ki jaka. Secretary ka Tnad ka Koit ka Khiah Ram Kumar S ulakado baladep penterai kam santeli ki kaliket nongpang 4x4 bat sasanteli ki dang don halenti bat dang thit ru sakumbash poteli ki ban ai jing shakri shaki jaka nong pendong.
Asked on the
4x4 ambulances are not in manufacturing at all. So you have to get a 4x4 vehicle and fabricate it and do it. It's a whole different exercise you have to do. So we have finally done that. Five ambulances have already been given in the facilities. Another 5 have been procured separately. But there is one facility level ambulances, which means PHC, CHA, district level ambulances, number 1. Number 2 are the Chief Minister's Safe Motherhood Scheme fleet. These are vehicles which have been tied up by the decentralized way by the facility locally, so that any pregnant woman, child who has requirement of a vehicle to transport to the hospital, to a higher facility, to diagnostics, or back to dropping them home, they can utilize it. This